Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to understand cache side policy. This is third policy and it is very important. So first we shall understand a read policy. In the cache, how read is going to happen. So for read, suppose this is application. So this application first it will make the request to the cache. Here we can say it is going to make the request from the cache. Okay. If data is present in the cache here, data we have here in the cache, so we shall get the data from the cache and from cache this application will receive. That is simple flow. That is pretty simple flow. Suppose data is not in the cache. Suppose data is not here in the cache. In that case, what will be happen? In that case, application will read the data from the database because here we have some sort of I can say uh, cron job, yeah, or we can say some background method which will redirect this request to the database. Now database will read. Now from the database, my application will read the data. Okay, and it will update. Also, it will update the same data here in the cache as well. So this is simple approach in the case of cache. Cache reader actually. So let me clean all this. Uh, okay. Now we are going to understand how write flow is going to work. So read is pretty simple. Read is like it is saying we have to read. We have to go in the cache. If data is here, in that case we are able to get it. Application will able to get it. In the case of hit means what? It is like we have data in the cache. Miss like we do not have data in the cache. In that case, data will be taken from the database and updated here in the cache. That is simple approach we have to understand. But in the case of write flow, what will be happening? Like in the case of write flow, we will not go and write into the cache. We first go, application will go and update data into the database. And what about the old data we have here in the cache? What about the old data we have? They will be like deleted. They will be like invalidated simply. So once like suppose they will be deleted or invalidated in the cache. So again we will follow the flow. Like if data is not here in the cache, in that case it will take the data from database and update here in the cache. So these are the very simple approach to in the cache side. So here we can see the difference in this strategy. The application is responsible for managing the cache. When data is requested, application first take the data in the cache first. If it is present here, then cache, it will take the data from the cache. If data is not in the cache, in that case, data will be taken from database and it will store that data into the cache. Maybe in the future, we shall again write, or sorry, we shall again read from the cache. For that purpose, we are going to store into the cache. And we can say this strategy is pretty simple to implement, pretty simple to manage. So it is it nutshell. It is one of the important system design fundamental and one of the important cache policy. So for today, this is the uh, concept I have. Yeah, in next video we shall talk some more policy. Thank you very much.